Hello, keeping my eyes on the road. I hope there's nothing up my nose right now. Big news today. Big news today. For those 7 people following along, my parts came in. I'm going to pick up parts. So I'm driving to the guy, my parts guy. Still kind of shut down. Had to make an appointment. Not sure what it's going to look like, but whoa! The big, as I said in my previous video, I believe, big thing is getting the rat support. I got a few other odds and ends here with me that trying to source some parts for, but yeah, it's going to be big dollar for me. But again, in perspective, what I'm spending today for a whole whack of parts is less than 1 truck payment on a new 2020 truck. So there's perspective, but so I'm completely filming this. The fact that it looks like I'm moving, I don't know, does it look like I'm moving? Of course I'm not moving, I'm not driving. Come along, we'll see what I get.
Much later.
So the original rat support is most definitely black. Well, the one I pulled out anyway. I don't know if that's original, but we'll pull you back. The rat support I bought, that needs to be painted. That is not a maybe or nice to, that is a must be painted. This coating is not a usable coating. I don't know what you call it, but Come here. You getting any of this? I think you get the point. Some things have happened. Sorry I didn't film it. It's just, to me, it seemed boring. Like, I don't know. It's just putting stuff together. Yeah, I mean, you saw me painting this, bolts in at the bottom. I mean, it's just the reverse of putting it together. It's a bit loose, just for obvious reasons. The fender is tight, secured. I mean, lineup is. For me that's good, but I don't know for other guys maybe that's horrible. But it's an old used fender that's just packed in with fiberglass. So yeah, I mean it. I'm wondering if a new fender repo would be not as good so far. Like the rad support, you can see. Can you see? Yeah. I mean, it's not a huge issue. Just nibble that out. But a bolt's supposed to go there. I mean, if you choose to put it in there. Yeah. What can I say? These lower mounts for the radiator, they're riveted in. Holy, what's going on up there? I just drilled out the rivets. I'll put in some carriage bolts. If you're a landscaper, you'll know what that is, but if not, whatever, just bolt it in. You could probably weld it too. But, even gravity to a certain extent is holding the radiator in right from here. So, I'll just slap the other fender on. A few things I want to get done on this side of the engine before I go too much further. Like I'm going to address the positive power. It's not a great connection. So, so much easier doing it here, right? Once the front clip is on. I took the front clip off in one piece, you may remember. But it just, to me, it makes more sense putting it on piece by piece. Just for alignment purposes. And the only alignment now is, I think, just if there's movement kind of right to left once I put the hood on. Just see how, it aligns up. But if these are loose, at the bottom, it should slide. But all right. I'll film as much as I can, but I don't know. It just seemed pointless to film me putting bolts up, tightening up bolts and things. But we'll keep going. Fenders on. Oh, the rad's in. Pretty happy with the lineup. Oh, oh boy. I'm filling up the breather, vent, I guess, vent tube. I kind of backfill the float while spilling some in. Let's see. Battery in there is not great. I think it's running, but it's only running on start. It's not running on, which is a different problem that I will address. But good sign.